Indigestion takes many forms. We diagnose the malady with the help of symptoms. Homeopathy provides excellent remedies. Please listen to this video carefully and you may find something that can help you. In cases of copious watery stool forcibly shot out, sudden, with gurgling sounds in the intestines, Croton tiglium, CROTON TIGLUM 30 helps. In case of involuntary stool, when you have no control over the passing of the stool, although the stool is solid, the balls are large, Aloe 200 is a great remedy. Tried, tested and proved. There is insecurity of the rectum and there is loss of control. If a patient defecates with every motion of the body, as if the anus were wide open, give Apis 200. If there is no sensation of passing feces, Seacle, SEACLE 30 comes in. At times the stool is hard, passes in marble like masses, there is obstinate constipation, the violent ineffectual urging, rectum is sore after stool, sore itching, give Alumen ALUMEN 200. In cases of hard and knotty stool, no desire, but there is painful urging before. Cases of constipation of infants, of women with sedentary habits, Alumina 30 comes in. If stool comes in hard lumps mixed with watery discharge, give Entim crude 200. If the stool is dry, hard as if burnt, the mucous surfaces are dry, the patient is greatly thirsty, Bryonia 200 is of great use. When the stool is hard that it is difficult to take it out, if the patient has hemorrhoids painful to touch, Lycopodium 200 is the remedy. Sometimes the stool is knotty like sheep dung. It crumbles at the edge of the anus. Children, infants particularly, have constipation during dentition. Magnesia Mur 200, MAGNESIA, MUR 200 comes in. In case of round, hard, black balls, when there is no desire even though inside is full, Opium 200 relaxes the muscles and relieves the patient of the agony. Listen to the symptoms carefully. Listen to the symptoms of the patient also carefully, tally them, and you would find your remedy. There is no disappointment in homeopathic medicines. They are safe, their results are quick, they last long, and they are inexpensive. All the best, and thank you for listening to this video. Bye.